Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Initial Solution. Today in this video I'm gonna show you how to watch Apple TV on Android. First of all, go for your Chrome browser because there is no application to watch in Apple TV on Play Store. So for this you have to go to your Chrome browser and search for Apple TV here, and in this first link you have to go to it and you can see you can watch any kind of shows from here. So first of all, for watching these shows you have to sign in with your Apple ID or password from in the sign in section. Then after signing up you can watch a kind of show from here. So yeah, that's it. This is how you can watch Apple TV on Android. So guys, if you found this video helpful, then please like, comment and share, subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you.
This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.